When Jesus was a young boy, he often played with his friends in the village of Nazareth where he lived. There was a little stream running down the hillside not far from his home. The children liked paddling and playing in the cool water when the sun was very hot. One day Jesus went to the brook. The sun was hot, so he sat on a stone and put his feet in the cool water. It was the Jewish Sabbath day, and his mother and father had gone to the synagogue. Sitting on the grassy bank, Jesus put his hand in the water and found that the earth under the water was sticky like clay. He pulled out a fistful of clay and began to model with his fingers. Soon he had made a little clay sparrow. He put the sparrow on a stone in the sun. Then he made some more clay birds. Along the path came 2 Jewish elders. They were very stern men, and Jesus was a little afraid of them. The men stood on the bank and stared in anger at Jesus. Jesus was making things. Making things was a form of work, and it was forbidden to work on the Sabbath day. "What are you doing?" the men shouted. "Don't you know that it is the Sabbath day? No one is allowed to work. We will tell your father." The 2 men went back to the house where Jesus lived with his mother and father. Joseph and Mary were just returning from the synagogue. The men told them that Jesus was disobeying the rules. Joseph hurried to the stream. When Joseph reached the stream, he saw that Jesus was still sitting with his feet in the water. By his side on the rock were 12 little clay birds. Joseph was angry with his son and told him to return home immediately. He was breaking the law by working on the Sabbath day. Joseph went to where Jesus was sitting. Jesus said, "I'm coming, Father." Then he turned to the clay birds, clapped his hands loudly and shouted, "Go, go, go." All the birds flapped their wings and flew away into the sky, twittering happily.